your plan of your semester report on design workshop. Uh, could you show your plan?
Okay, Professor.
Okay.
Can I see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. Um, now this paper about plan preparation plan for the second semester report, like final report in first semester.
Okay, fine.
Okay, I make like this, just keywords, and I added a list of connects. This really this address in my workshop, all workshop. Yes, and chapter 1, like this 7 chapter. Yes, chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and reference. And chapter 1, this, and this, just. Now I am ready to finish this report. Okay, Professor?
Okay. I think very well. And please tell us which you want in first chapter. Maybe some words about topics, maybe a state of the art. Chapter of your report.
Yes, yes.
Please open this page.
And
Okay, okay.
chapter 1 or list of connects contents.
Okay.
I upload this my workshop in my file.
Yes. Of course. I think you should include your some results from previously workshops in first chapter. Of course, about analog image processing, about digital image processing. And I think, do you have any problems with first chapter, or everything is clear?
No, everything clear. And
Okay.
this all this word or information um, ready. This um, for uh, uh, my workshop, like
Okay.
mm,
Okay.
okay.
And I think include some links to state-of-the-art papers or maybe articles or maybe books on this topic. Okay, in this
Okay.
chapter.
Okay.
Okay. Vasily, could you edit in this chapter maybe or next?
Yeah, maybe.
Can you?
I'm not
maybe?
sure. Yeah, I'm not sure that we should add some additional information in this report for this semester, because the final goal is, or maybe the qualification work is real line faces. Yeah, it is just a bit another task. Yeah, now we're just trying to create some model for classification age, gender, and race, for instance. But of course, we should prepare some basic idea how we can process faces and how we can realign faces. Yeah, and the main goal is find points of faces. Yeah, and trying to realign maybe some normalized face. Yeah, because sometimes face can be rotate, maybe some has some deformations on image. Yeah, and we need to normalize this face. So maybe we can add some additional chapter in the last, maybe the last chapter, how we can find key points of face. Yeah, because it is the main goal for you for
Yes.
all your master programs. Yeah, and I guess that we trying to solve this task maybe in this semester. Yeah, in the end of this semester you will have some time at summer to try to understand how this works. But I hope that we can discuss some main idea, main basis how we can do this. And of
Yes.
course you implement and study this research in the next, maybe in the third semester, and you will prepare the final work. Yeah, maybe we add, maybe not, but maybe some basic idea how we can do this. I hope that we will finish age, gender, and race classification, and we will start create some model for finding key points. I hope that in this semester, in this course, in this design workshop. In computer vision, we will just discuss any classical approaches and convolutional neural networks, because it is necessary for you. You just need to know all sphere of computer vision, and you can combine any ideas for creating your approach. Yeah, your approach for key points detection, key points identification, and after this face normalization. Yeah, so you can add this chapter in your
Of course.
in your report with just describing. Yeah, maybe you can try to find some material, some articles about this, how we can find key points. It is interesting task.
Okay, I totally agree. But I have any question. Will you have all the chapters ready by June, Ali?
Okay.
Okay.
I'm ready. Yes.
Okay. Fine.
So you can try to prepare all reports to the June. Yeah.
Yes.
because it
I
is a
think
big work.
yes, it is big work, but it is a prototype of your master thesis, and I think it is it is a process which you can rebuild some chapters in future in next semester. Okay.
Yeah, it means
Okay.
it will be easier for you if you have some prepared reports. Yeah, some in future will be easier for you.
Okay, yes, I think it is a good way to understanding all topics of this thesis.
Okay.
Okay, and maybe do you have some questions in your workshop part, in practical part?
Yes. Can you, Professor Zuzin, explain about my task?
Yeah, of course.
Did you see in my file?
No, I can't see.
I attach.
In your folder, yeah.
Yes.
Files, reports, and
Ali 9.
and Ali 9 load models. Yeah, load models. One moment, I need to download it. And one moment, Colab Research, download. Okay. Do you see my screen?
Yes, I see.
And okay, but I can't run this code, yeah, because it doesn't have.
Yes, just show.
Map location torch device CPU. Now we can calculate for a CPU, yeah. So
this my result, and under this code, I working in
okay, let's see.
like this.
Okay, I get that this cell should be higher, yeah, because you are determine class CNN model. And after determine class CNN model, you create the object of this class, yeah?
Yes.
So I guess we should stay here. After this, you are model with H, yeah, and here in features 7 classes, yeah, 7 classes, and you are here you just train again.
Yes.
Train again, but okay, and here we have accuracy. model with age and gender. With age and gender. Okay, but the main idea that you can train your model and save the weights. And these weights and the model architecture, maybe it will be more clear if we said that architecture plus weights. This is a model. This is a model which can solve any task. For example, gender classification. And the main idea that you can train your model in another workspace, for example, in another IPNB file, save your weights, and after this you can just study or research these weights. How these weights, it means this architecture plus weights, solve the task. So load models means you don't need to train model again. You can just train your model here, yeah, model here, and save weights. And after this, you can use these weights for some service, for example, gender classification, yeah. So using just one weights, you calculate accuracy. How accurate your model work, yeah, accurate. So and here you just have curves for training, but better if you just using some 1 points, for example, accuracy for this model, and compare model for just for one head, for example, one head model with age, and you compare accurate for age this model and model to, for example, this, how they work. But here you can see that accuracy for this model equal, for instance, 40. And if we check what's happened with this model, we can see that the same results may be higher, yeah, because maybe higher, just 40, just a 40, yeah. It is a gender classification, yeah, red. Oh, no, it is a age classification, yeah, 40. Okay. And you can compare both, for instance, if you just try to check model just for age, or sorry, for gender classification, and with two heads for gender and age, and you compare them together, you just need to get one value, not curves, just one value. And you can say that this model, for example, with two head better because the accuracy better than the one head model, yeah. And another, okay, we can see that model with age, gender, and race, you just load state dict, and you okay, maybe it is not clear, or maybe misunderstanding was, yeah. After training, you just getting some weights, yeah, some weights of your model, and the architecture plus weights, it is a model which can solve any task, and there is no need to train this model again. There is no need. You just can use this model and these weights for analysis model, and you use, for example, accuracy. There are other metrics like as a precision, recall. Did you? I guess that we not discussed. We didn't discuss what does mean precision and recall, and what does mean F score. No, Ali.
I think
No. Yeah.
yes. No.
Okay. I have to prepare some materials about this, because we in our design workshop now we discuss how we can load models, or sorry, not load, how we can train models. And train models, it means that you are create some architecture with random weights in this layers, in this layer, random weights which can't solve any task now. And after training, when you train and test your models, you train the weights of your architecture to solve some task. For solving some task, for instance, gender or age classification. And after training, for instance, here you just get weights, and you need to study, to analyze these weights, how they solve the task. And now you can see that you train 3 models. First model for age classification, the second model for age and gender classification, and the third model for age, gender, and race. You can compare 3 models using age classification, how they solve this task, how they classificate age through the face photo. So for this, we need to use any metrics, for instance, metric accuracy. There are another metrics like precision, recall, F-score, and for age we can use any metrics for like a mean square error or mean absolute error, because for each age, for example, if you have 50 target variable 50 age, yeah, and your model shows that these people has, for example, 35, you can calculate any metrics, and mean absolute error will give you 15, and mean square error will give you 225, and etc. And you can compare models like this if you just trying to use some mean value for all errors, and etc. And where error will be lower, it means that your model better. Yeah, error lower means better. Or where accuracy or precision or recall higher, it means that this model will be better than other. So here you just, the main problem here that you create model 3, load some weights, and after this you create again class CNN model, and you are training this model again. I see that. Sorry, where? Here is a network train. Where is network? Network model 3. Model 3 training. So I can see where you use your model 3. You create this model, load the weights, state of this model evaluation, and I can see where you, and now you don't use your model 3 for analysis. It means that this code, this one, this, and this, and I guess
Excuse me, Professor. I send you an task, my task. Can you check?
Yeah, and where in your folder? Yeah.
No.
In my email.
No, now.
Now.
I must.
One moment. Here, yeah.
Yes. This.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah, this is WIS2 classificator. Okay. Okay, Ali, I understand what's happened. Okay, now here you just save your model,
Yes.
yeah, and here we load our model, and okay, I understand what happens. Maybe it will be better if I write some notebook for you how you can compare your models, because I guess that now we don't understand together what I mean. Because everything is correct here. You just train your model, save weights in this workspace, and after this you need to use these weights in your this workspace loads models.
Yes.
For compare you will now you have 3 models with 1 head, with 2 heads, and with 3 heads, and you need to compare them together. So maybe it will be more clear if I write some instruction for you how we can compare them.
Yes.
And
Please.
maybe in our computer vision course I need to highlight this important sphere, how we can compare models together, because it is more important than training model, because if you can
Yes.
compare models together, it will be you can just trying to choose better model between others. So I understand. Okay, tomorrow we will have a practical task in computer vision course. I try to create these reports tomorrow or maybe after tomorrow, okay? And
Okay.
send in our files, and I will send some notification that I attach this file for you, okay?
Okay. Yes, please. Thank you.
Yeah, maybe it will be more clear if you just try and with code to understand what I mean. Okay, I understand. So maybe
Yes, understand.
other.
Everything is clear. Thank you. I wait the task because
Yeah.
I need more information.
Yeah, I understand that previous discussing was maybe unclear, and we need to revise it, and I will prepare some detailed
Okay.
reports notebook for you, okay?
Okay.
So if you have any questions, maybe.
No, thank you. No question.
Okay, I try to prepare today, and tomorrow I remind you that we will have practical lessons here, and I hope that you will prepare some questions about the first practical workshop, okay? About computer
Okay.
vision, which is connected with convolutional layers.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, I just remind you, okay? Because we need to we need to spend our time useful, yeah, and it will be
Of course.
better. Yeah.
Okay, fine. Ali, please, we'll start with your report, include your results in this structure, and I think you should show this next week, okay?
Okay. Of course.
Okay.
Thank you very
Okay.
much.
Okay, fine. Maybe anything question for us?
Maybe some other, maybe about other courses.
No, thank you. Thank you for us.
I have one question about your new course at the Saturday at mobile development.
Yes.
Did it okay, or maybe you have some problems with this course, or maybe some misunderstanding?
No. I and Hong and I think no, Muhammad. I study in a lecture in lecture in mobile. No problem.
Okay.
Okay. No problem.
What do you think it is? It is useful for you, or I would like to understand some feedback from you.
For lecture mobile.
Yes, it is
Yes.
useful course.
Yes. It. I think. Mm, like complete to web technology.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, and maybe if you don't have any questions, I think all for today. And unfortunately, other students can't go to our lesson, our workshop today. Maybe they have some problems. Okay,
Maybe.
and they don't answer. Okay, fine. And I think all for today. Goodbye.
Thank you, Professor. Goodbye.
Thank you too. Goodbye.
Thank you.